Umnumzane Fikile Mbalula uchaza udaba lokuxoshwa kwaMnumzane Jacob Zuma eqenjini le-ANC. Uthi-ke uMnumzane Jacob Zuma ubekade efuna imovie uqobo lwayo, uthi-ke ubefuna kwenziwe ngendlela yakhe. Awukwazi ukuthi-ke uthi utshelwa ukuthi izinto ezokwenziwa ngalolu hlobo, sithi-ke sizokwenza izinto online. Inkantolo ikutshela ithi-ke i-disciplinary hearing yakho izokwenziwa ngohlobo-ke lokuba izinto zibe online, wena bese uthi cha, angifuni-ke kube kanjalo, ngifuna kube indlela yami, ngifuna-ke kuhlanganwe. Hhayi-ke uthi-ke uMnumzane Fikile Mbalula ngalokho uMnumzane Jacob Zuma befuna ukwenza imovie laphana-ke eLuthuli House. Ngicela ukuthi-ke uyizwele ngawakho eyibeka yonke le ndaba.
Jacob Zuma wanted a movie in front of Luthuli House and so on, and he wanted this hearing to be public. That's what he wanted. Now, you can't go to court and they tell you that you are going to conduct your hearing virtually, and you say, no, I'm not coming. And I want it to be in this fashion and that fashion. The most important thing, if you've got integrity and you've got cogent arguments that you have not contravened the rules of the ANC as you have been charged under in terms of the Constitution, you can argue anywhere. It's not an issue where you argue, but we are not there. That's what he wanted. He wanted a movie, he wanted this thing to play itself out, he wanted a rally. Even when they were told that the disciplinary hearing is virtual, they still came here. And they knew that there's no DC at Luthuli House. So they still came here. So it tells you that Jacob Zuma wanted a movie.